In this video, I'll show you how to find the best classes on Skillshare. Of course, you want the best of the best so you can learn as much as possible. If you want to get Skillshare, you can do so by clicking the link in the description down below. Step 1. Explore categories. Browse Skillshare's vast selection of categories to find the best fit for your needs. Categories include design, photography, business, writing, and a lot more. Filter by best rated or top classes for a quicker selection. Step 2. Check your instructor reviews. Instructor ratings and student feedback can help you decide the quality of a course. Look for classes with high ratings and positive comments from previous learners. Don't hesitate to check reviews from students who had similar goals. Step 3. Preview the class content. Skillshare allows you to preview class videos to assess whether it's the right course for you. Check the class structure, lesson topics, and overall teaching style. Preview a few minutes to ensure it matches your learning goals, and I'm sorry for the audio in the background. And that's it for watching. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, you can leave them in the comments down below. If you have any questions, you can do that. And if you like this video, please subscribe.